Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I upload videos on Microsoft Office and other softwares. If you are new on this channel, kindly take a few minutes to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that any video I upload, you will be notified. In this video, we'll learn how to insert citations in Microsoft Word. The video contains how to select a citation style, how to insert citation for new sources, how to insert citation for existing sources, how to edit sources, and how to use citation placeholders. Finally, we will learn how to insert bibliographies, reference list, or works cited list. To select a citation style, first click on References tab. Then in the Citations and Bibliography group, we have a section titled Style. Click on the arrow close to that section over here and select the type of citation you will use. We have several different types of citation, but I'll be using APA citation. I've selected APA citation. Let's learn how to insert citation for new sources. First, we need to place our cursor at where we want to insert our citation. Then in the References tab, we click on Insert Citation and we select Add New Source. We have several types of sources to use. At the Type of Source section, you will select different type of sources that you will use. We have book section, journal article, and many others. Take your time to scroll through and get the actual source that you will be using. After selecting the source you will be using, fill in with the source details. We have an author, title, year, city, and publisher. So you type in the source details. You can select Show All Bibliography Fields for more details if you have other details that you would like to type. So I'm going to fill in with my source details. When you are done filling in the information, you will click OK. But as I said earlier on, you can click Show All Bibliography Fields. The other sections that are provided for you to fill are optional. So even if you don't fill those sections, your citation will still be generated. When you are done, you click on OK and your citation will appear in your work. Now let's look at how to insert citation for existing sources. Just like how we inserted citation for new sources, you place your cursor at where you want to insert your citation. I want to insert my citation here, so I'm going to place my cursor right here. Then in the References tab, you click on Insert Citation and choose the citation you want to use. The citation will appear in text. If we want to edit the citation, this is how to do it. In the References tab, click on Manage Sources and you will see the citation has been saved under two sites. We have the master list and the current list. You select the citation in the master list and click on Edit. Then you edit your citation and click on OK. Click on Yes to update both lists with these changes. When you are done, you click on Close. We can see that the citation has been edited from 2021 to 2010. Let's learn how to use citation placeholders. Citation placeholders are used when your source information is not available. To insert a placeholder, you select the section where you want to insert the citation placeholder, and in the References tab and in Citation and Bibliography group, you click on Insert Citation and you select Add New Placeholder. A placeholder name will appear for you to edit the name of the placeholder you want to use. You can maintain it as placeholder 1 or you can type your own name right there. Then later when you get your source information, you edit the placeholder. I am going to maintain the name as placeholder 1, so I'll click OK. The placeholder will appear in your text. Finally, to insert bibliographies, reference list, or a works cited list, you click on the References tab and in the Citation and Bibliography group, you click on Bibliography and select References. Your reference will show at where your cursor is. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to turn on the notification button to be updated anytime I upload a video.